What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the serial filler to fill the trilogy break. We got 5 teams. So everybody in this will be in on those 5 teams, and you will get your serial number. We're just running the randoms for which number you will get. So we got all the names right here. Patrick on top and Patrick on bottom. And we also have numbers 1 through 0. I'm going to do one timestamp in the beginning since no one's really like winning anything, but just to make it official, I will do that live. It's 3:54 3:54 here in North Dartmouth. So we're running each list 3 times, and then whatever number you match up with is the number you're going to get. 1, 2, 3. King on top, Danny on the bottom. That's the beauty of it. Doesn't matter where you land. Anybody can hit. And for the numbers 1, 2, and 3. 4 on top, 6 on the bottom. I didn't get the 4 there. There we go. So, King, you got 4. Dave, 0. Patrick, 5. Grant, 8. Marty, you got 3 and 1. You got the 101s. Clancy, 2 and 9. Rubel, 7. And Danny, 6. Thanks, guys, and good luck.